Here's all the colors. We actually have to do it again because I filmed it with no audio, and that's my fault. So we're picking entirely different colors. Pick your color, Erin. Oh, I love that color.
It's so beautiful.
This is the color she picked. To be honest, I haven't actually picked a color, so
Oh.
it's cheating. I'm gonna do a purple.
Yeah.
This one. Uh-huh. This color right here. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah, and in today's video I will be crocheting an axolotl. I'm gonna do a little bit of a twist though. My left hand hurts really bad. So I hired my sister, Erin, and she's gonna be my left hand. We randomly picked the yarn colors. We have our little piece of acrylic that we will be using to start our magic ring. If you don't know how to use this method, go ahead and check out my most recent video. She's gonna be my left hand, which means she's gonna start the magic ring. And we decided to pick purple for the body color, which was my pick. There's your end, Erin. Before we start, I'd like to compare our hand sizes. So I don't know if this is gonna have an effect on our finished piece. Look at her little hand, her little baby hand.
Got my loopy.
I got the loop, and I'm gonna hold it.
You're gonna hold still. Hold still. Don't drop it. It was really hard without my right hand.
And I'm gonna.
I'm not ready yet. Oh, let me grab it.
Okay, you're grabbing it.
Okay, now you can.
You're kind of holding the yarn wrong.
This is how I do it.
You gotta turn it.
I always yarn
You do
over.
it like that?
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. You do it
Yes,
like this.
no, I don't.
Like that. That's how you're supposed to do it. Here we go.
Since I always hold my string
What?
like this.
No!
Always. You told me I've been doing it wrong the whole, you know.
3 weeks of crocheting. No, 4 weeks. Come on, it hasn't
Okay,
been a month.
I'll try it the other way. Ugh, it feels so wrong.
Okay, so I'm gonna yarn over and I'm gonna pull through. Hey, we did it.
Yay, first
Join.
kind of
High
chain.
five. So now I'm gonna chain one.
This is scary. Do you want me to fix it for
Yeah,
you?
you have to untwist it.
The problem is there.
Flatten it out the other way. You're not holding it tight enough.
There we go. Get it. It's so loose.
And we're gonna start our single crochets.
Okay. Wait, my attention is completely off doing it this way. Can I hold it my way?
Yeah, you don't know why.
Ha ha ha, I win. You're so bossy with your left hand. No wonder it hurts.
Hold that little tail.
I never hold the tail.
See, your angle's all off. You gotta angle it a little higher
Oh, okay.
and hold the tail.
You're really weird about this tail.
There's not enough tension for me to pull it through. One more
2, 3,
stitch.
4, 5. Ignore the little stringy. I'll fix them.
Don't pull too tight.
I usually remove this tail. I assume that's what
Yeah,
I'm supposed
that's
to do.
fine. It doesn't really make any difference.
I'm just gonna pull it mostly tight. Is that okay?
Yeah, don't close it all the way.
Yeah. I figure we'll
think that's
tighten it
good.
after. Do you want to use a stitch marker?
No, put your hand there. Hold the magic ring. But look, we did the magic ring. Look at that. This is a meme on Instagram because it's so hard to get into the first stitch. This doesn't make it
This is
easier.
proof. Okay, I'll let go of the string and just try holding it.
Okay, wiggle,
You almost
wiggle,
got it, you
wiggle.
almost got it.
Aha!
Did you get both of them?
Yeah, I got them.
Yeah.
Yarn over
It's usually-
left hand. Sorry.
It's okay. My left hand's good.
You hold it all the way down here?
But sometimes it falls down there. It's okay. Don't be judging the string. You're good. Just aim. You got it. It's really hard to do this without using my other hand.
Okay, I think that's okay for now. We'll tie it afterward.
Do you want me to tighten this?
Yeah, just a little. Okay, that's a lot. Hold it.
You're grabbing every string on the planet.
You're supposed to hold the middle.
Oh, you want me to hold it close?
Yeah, just hold the middle.
Yeah, you're right. I do normally hold that close. I just thought you didn't like my fingers there.
Okay, that's round 2 done.
Yeah, let's get your hands off it. Well, let's
Tie it.
Tie it.
One-handed.
Okay, you hold it. I'll pull it. We'll just pull it together. I don't know if that worked. I'll tie a knot with you. It's okay. I can actually tie a knot one-handed. I don't need you. Get out of here.
No, you can't.
Here, pull it. Pull my hand.
Pull. One more. Guys, if you're not tying your magic rings, do it. I see you people not tying magic rings. Pull. Don't pull too tight, Erin.
So you gotta pull.
Ah, you're scaring me.
Okay, we're good.
I'm sure that's fine. Usually we tie it twice, but she has a habit of snapping the yarn.
That's a lie. Outrageous.
It's not a lie. Look how clean that is. And that's with two different hands, two different brains. Use the acrylic if you're not already.
Your hand really wants to hold the string. Let me
I'm like this over here.
You just singling?
Uh-huh.
I haven't made this axolotl before.
Nope. It's all a surprise to you.
Mystery pattern.
This is going better than I thought it would.
Yeah. We're like 3 rounds in.
So she's been crocheting for about 4 weeks. She had some prior experience crocheting
When I was like 8.
a long time ago and it didn't stick. It seems like it's sticking now. Do you actually like crocheting, Erin?
Yeah, it's pretty fun. Making blankets is not fun.
I mean, when was the last time you made a blanket?
Yeah.
Never. Okay, uncurl.
You were definitely not done.
No, we're not. Halfway there.
I mean, I use stitch markers, so I have no idea where we are, but...
Yeah, she doesn't know where we are. I know where I'm at.
This guy is so tense.
It's because I'm using the 5.5.
Oh.
That's the end of the single crochet round.
Yay!
And look at that, 3 rounds in. What we're gonna do is pull up a loop. So hold the body. Okay. And we're actually gonna secure this loop because I don't trust ourselves to keep it safe. So if you've seen the original pattern, I don't think I do this, but you can do this if you
Are scared?
Yeah, if you don't want to lose it. Come here, let me pull the fluff off.
Get off my fluff. Hold still.
Okay. And tighten.
It's okay, I'm gonna tighten it. You go that way, I'll go this way. There you go.
There we go, we got a slip knot. There we go.
It's not too bad.
Okay.
It was a very loose
Yarn over.
stitch though. With the blue?
Yeah, bring it around. You yarn over. She pulled it out because she's a criminal. Got to yarn over.
I keep forgetting.
Uh-huh.
Still think you're doing decreases.
I'm sorry for stabbing you.
No, I'm fine.
It looks like I'm just stabbing you horribly. Hold it right here. Here you go.
You're better at slip stitching with my hand than I am with my hand. You gotta wiggle it a little tighter.
Okay, you're scaring me.
It's
You have a
fine.
history.
He's so cute.
Gills.
So I don't like doing that because then you have a really short tail.
Yeah, but it's fine. We're just tying a knot with this tail. We originally picked pink and orange, which would have been super cute as well. But I'm glad that we made a mistake. Okay, the first one went a lot better than this. I think you're slacking. I think you're slacking on your job. I gotta do all the work.
Oh, look at those gills. They're so cute.
Pull up this loop. Well, you're kind of, I don't know if your fingers are in the way or...
Yes, my fingers are in the way.
So glad somebody here is laughing at my jokes, because...
I was laughing out of pity. It was a pity laugh. This just proves it that if either of us need a hand amputated,
yeah,
we could still
crochet.
sort of crochet. We did it!
Woo!
Look at all these strings!
Look at that!
Left hand.
Oh no!
Oh no. Okay.
You hold still.
Okay.
You Go under. Under. Yeah. Yeah, and you want to pull it pretty tight. Yeah, that's good. Nope, that's good. Don't go any tighter. I can't do any of the adjusting that I normally would do if I was doing it with my both hands.
What? This looks perfect! I mean, not that one. That one's cringe.
There, our gills are secured.
Woohoo! There's a fluffy there. I can't get it because my hand is so busy.
You sucked it in! We're doing the invisible decrease.
You can do it, Sarah.
This is like decreasing around the tail of my chicken. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No.
Tuck those tails in.
I'll try.
Get them.
Sarah, is this how you crochet off camera?
Get it off the table.
You look like you were doing better with it on the table.
You tighten your hand, please. Stop pulling so hard. No wonder you're the breaker of strings.
The breaker of all strings.
Erin, I'm trying to get in this one. So why don't you turn it?
I really thought you were trying to get the other one.
Head.
Yay!
Neck.
Should we stuff the head?
Nope. Increase time. Because we still have to do the eyes. Can you take your left hand and pull that fluff out? Yeah, that blue green. Do we know what color that is?
This is the turquoise color.
It's not turquoise.
It's like a retro turquoise.
It's a retro green, blue.
So you don't want me to stick my finger in there?
You can if it fits.
It's okay. You're stabbing me, it's fine. What are you doing with your pointer finger right now?
My pointer finger's doing all the work for you.
You don't crochet with your other left hand like this.
No, my left hand listens to me. Why would I'm not even gonna say it on camera. Continuing on.
Bobbling's gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
Or
it is.
buckle stitch, as I like to call it.
No.
It just makes
No.
more sense.
Shh. No, it doesn't.
I like buckle stitch. And decreasey, or well, no, shrinky. Shrinky, that's what I call
No,
it.
that's a decrease.
Don't be jealous. My better naming system. What are you doing?
Bobbling.
Oh, okay. I can't even bobble with my own hand. Buckle.
Stop it. Don't breathe. You're breathing.
This is so
There we go.
weird.
There you go.
Do you
There
have
you go.
5 on there?
4. Just 4. We like dainty feet in this house. Starting to get frustrated. You want to do our caterpillar pattern next?
No, I can't even do that with my hands. They're really cute.
I know.
I really
was
wanted
like,
to make
should I
one.
talk about this? Because I do want people to go use the pattern and, you know.
You just need to
purchase
put
the pattern.
it's extremely hard warning on it. Because you tricked me. You know, I did the bees and I thought it would be
Oh,
easy.
it's not extremely hard. It's just a small stitch count.
Don't try to deceive the audience. It's hard, guys.
That's an exaggeration.
But I am a noob.
The bobble stitch is a nightmare.
Buckle stitch. Get it right.
Here's where we're at.
It's beautiful.
Feet. Our neck is a little interesting, but that's because the decreases aren't as tight as they could be.
Hello. I'm Barney Axolotl.
I'm legless.
Well, he's got
Tail
legs. It's natural for them to lose their legs. He'll grow them back.
And I use my left hand to cut that yarn.
Me and Axolotl are shocked that you would do that.
I want you to put the yarn on this needle.
Not quite sure what's happening here. I'm just glad that we're using very dull needles.
Pull. Okay.
Don't make fun of my sound effects.
Beep, beep, boop, beep, boop. Clearly, I need to bring you on to do the sound effects for my videos now.
Because I'm a professional sound effects maker.
Yeah.
Do we need stuffing?
Yeah.
I'll go get it with my left hand.
It's not over there.
I brought an appropriate amount of stuffing. A whole cloud.
We only need like this much.
Oh, look at how cute he looks.
Oh yeah, just look at how cute. Don't look at that. Look at how cute.
His water was too acidic or something, okay?
Oh,
He'll grow
come
back.
on. Stop traumatizing the viewers.
Do you want me to hold a little
No.
bit? Okay.
Pull this a little tighter.
Okay.
Okay.
That was a little.
For all the beginners out there, like my sister, we wiggle.
So I did.
No, gently wiggle.
She broke her hand for this cutie. Look at how cute. It's on my left hand. You're cutting that. That was cringe.
No, I'm not. We're gonna do the bobble stitch. Thank you, left hand, for not speaking.
I said help.
Maybe we shouldn't have eaten cookies before filming this video.
We should go eat another cookie. You calling me black?
Calling you a noob.
It's no fun when I can't see the action.
Never mind, this isn't my sister, guys. I don't know this person.
You can't just do it for me. You're just assuming I'm gonna cut that out of the video. I have all the power. I decided that they were called decreases. Shrinky sounds way better. Enough string for lefty handy. Look at that! Ew, he has no tail! What? You can't say one less single crochet and say there's a whole nother round. This thing's looking like a hamster with gills. Radioactive hamster. This pattern's free on Rippler? Free on Rippler, free on Instagram, free on my YouTube. Watch the YouTube tutorial. Look at that! I can't believe we done it. Give me a high five. Can you hold the needle though? Erin's my test dummy. Oh, that's not what I was gonna say. I mean, that's kind of true. Don't worry, I'll cut all your coughs out. Thanks. Okay, I'm going to, she's taking a water, I'm gonna tuck this tail in with one hand. You look so stupid. That's me! Don't go stupid! Get your hand away from us. Because my hand's over here. Look at, you can see the entire axolotl is in frame. I don't know, cheater. Look at that. You couldn't do it one hand. I could have. Pull it out. Pull it out. Look at him cute. Tail. Why would you clap when you turn on the camera? That's rude. I mean, I gotta cut it out. Dinner's calling. I was double checking. As left hand, it is my duty. Longer one, please. Nope, that's the shorter one. They're equal length. Move your finger. Ow! What happened to plastic can't hurt you? Look at that! Made by two separate hands. Human beings. Look at how cute. He turned out so much better than I expected. This is a pattern that she's never done before, so I did a good job. Uh-huh. As left hand. Mm-hmm. Left hand. High five. Go follow this tutorial if you want a cute axolotl pattern. Perfect for markets, for gifting, whatever you want to do with it. And I think that is about it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!